Hey guys, it's me, Sat's Arrival.
I'm Aoi.
I'm Yoru.
And I'm Shizuko.
Today, we will talk about the farting sound effect from Kawaii.
That's right, Shizuko. Let's start talking about it.
Okay then Aoi. It's from a video called, A Gassy Sleepover, Gacha Fip Gatrafert Poop Viral.
That video was uploaded 3 months ago on August 2nd.
You got that right, Aoi. The duration of the sound effect is 2:07 to 2:24. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end.
I agree with Yoru. And we are going to preview the sound effect.
Me too. Let's preview with
3, 2, 1. Hilarious. That sound effect was 14 seconds long. Anyways, that's how Kawaii's farting sound effect sounds like.
Yeah, and this sound is only used when Markov Yuri poops in the toilet. Remember kids, when you need to go to the bathroom, just use this sound effect.
Yep. It starts at 2:07 and ends at 2:24. And one more thing, you know what to do?
REMOVE. Remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end.
That's right Shizuko. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end.